Alright, me there again, my people. Big up, respect, and manners to each and everyone. Alright, now some of you might have heard about Bible and Key. And for those who don't know, in my point of view, Bible and Key is some type of superstitious method that some people believe that can be used to find out some form of truth to certain situations and situations. As I say, some people believe, but some people don't believe in this whole Bible and Key thing. See, some people don't even believe in this whole hobby and witchcraft thing overall. See, now my people, here I am going to present a video to you that has been posted on social media. And in my point of view, I got the understanding from the video that this video, I'm going to say allegedly, shows some type of superstitious method that was being used to try and find out the truth about a situation. Now, some comments on social media gave me the understanding that some people don't believe that this superstitious method really works, while there are some people who somewhat believe in it. So, I present the video to you and then we'll talk some more. And please do not try this at home. Don't try it at home. And viewer discretion is advised. Observe.
This is John. This is how you know the TV. John, you take the phone?
John take the phone?
No.
Peter by the pal. John take the phone? Peter by the pal. Avo take the phone?
No.
Peter by the pal. Avo take the phone? Peter by the pal. David take the phone? Apa di yard? Peter by the pal. David take the phone? Peter by Jack take the phone? Peter by Shamila take the phone? Peter by Sampal. Drupati take the phone?
Look carefully, people.
Look. Peter by Shahi take the phone?
Look, because...
Peter by Sampal.
Just look.
Alvin take the phone? Peter by Sampal. Tower take the phone? Peter by Sampal. Feynman take the phone? Did not.
It's the more. What the thief? That last name I call is the thief. You see how you knocking there?
You see?
Hey, that's the truth, you know.
Don't get down there. You don't go hard out. The phone is closed by.
I don't knock. You see?
Gonna do this.
So, based on what I'm seeing in the video and certain words that have been said, I assume that because the whatsoever dangle start to move certain ways, is believed to be revealing truth. So I say that based on what I get in the video. So in my point of view, the person's hand did a shake. The person's hand did a shake, my people. And you know, these are the things I look at when it comes down to them type of situation. You see? But the people, you can tell me what you think. Tell me if you believe that type of method can actually reveal truth to a situation, or if you don't believe that type of method can reveal no form of truth to no situation. Leave a comment or comments in the comment section of the video. And if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Now, my people, I saw more than one piece of videos posted on social media that shows when a motorcyclist was on a motorcycle that was on a roof of a building. The motorcyclist was riding the motorcycle on the roof of the building, which I think is really dangerous. Yeah, I think it's really dangerous. And you know, I start to wonder how he get up there in the first place. That one thing I think about it. So I say, alright, so my understanding is that the motorcyclist was on the motorcycle and was on the roof, and you know, there was a large gathering on the ground. Is basically like it's a party, and most of it on the motorcycle up on the roof, and certain things have been done. My people, those pieces of videos are being talked about on social media, and I'm going to present one of those videos to you so you can take a look at the situation. You can also let me know what you think. Alright? Yeah, one of the reasons why I present it to you is because those videos are being talked about on social media. So I'm going to present one of them to you. And please bear in mind that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. And to each and every one, please do not try this at home. Do not try this at all. Alright? Observe.
Oh, see that? Really, what's wrong with what? He's my son! I wake up looking at you. He's my son! Who's my son? That night! Oi! Mucho! Here is our break! Pass!
The amount of danger we see there, so. Eh? The amount of danger we see there, so, my people. Tell me think about that, the situation, the end. Again, to each and everyone, do not try this at all. Don't try it. Alright? I'm going to put together and present to you pieces of videos that's going to show some things that happened when law enforcers or police officers from within the country of Guyana went to a location within the country of Guyana. And you might be surprised to know why they went to that location. But I could take a look at these pieces of videos and see if we can get an understanding of the whole situation. And viewer discretion is advised for these pieces of videos. Observe, my people.
Am I a threat that you have to call for backup?
Who is he? The idiot, man.
The officer. Am I a threat that you have to call officer for backup? Nonsense.
No.
Nonsense.
Shut up.
Nonsense.
Officer?
I'm not a threat. The officer come ask me to turn my vehicle off. I turn it off. Not the vehicle, the music off. I turn it off. He called for backup because I told him I'm not going to take the vehicle out on the road because he ain't got license, he ain't got registration, and he ain't got insurance. And he called backup for that. Nonsense. You stupid. You need to go back and read the Constitution of Guyana.
The female.
I done with you. I done with you. Park there, the vehicle parked there, not have insurance, not have license, not have nothing, it can't drive. And I'm not gonna take that on the road. I'm not stupid.
Yes.
Alright, sir. Please come to the station.
For what?
No, it's just such
No. Now usually you tell me to turn on the music and I turn it down. You can't take me to the station, I turn it down. I didn't break the law. You come and you warn me and I turn it down. Where did I still play the music?
Nice, this is not warning, so nice. This is zero tolerance, sir.
No, I know the law. You come, you warn me, say, okay, you get somebody said, your neighbor said turn on your music, and I did turn it down. I turned it down. I didn't start playing.
My name is Star Return. So you come to the station, right, sir?
Yes.
Is that? Hello?
I refuse to come in.
No, about this vehicle. That's tight now. No, get about. I done a report, man. On a report.
Yes, I refuse to come to the station.
What's your name, sir?
Hemcha. This is my premises. No, then I know that. One or two, sir. But we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 neighbors, everything.
Listen, when them are playing nighttime, nobody not call. No.
You gotta call.
Okay.
No.
Honey,
Relax.
Same thing, bro.
You know, me get quite a number of understanding from those pieces of videos, you know, some type of neighbor issues and all them things there. So I say, and you see, if the person really and truly did turn down the music when he had been warned by police, or if the person complied with police, then in my point of view, then, you know, that's good. And I don't think there should be any other problem unless there are other problems. You see what I say? But you let me know what you think about a situation like that, my people. Alright, so we'll move back to Jamaica now, see? So, there was a large gathering of people during what is believed to be some type of political gathering, viewers and subscribers. As I said, no, some people might call that gathering PNP meeting, some people might call it politics meeting and all them things. As I said, and me say at least one piece of video that shows the musician who goes by the name of Buju Banton at the gathering, and another well-known person that me can't quite remember that person's name. As I say, some people might remember the person as a crime fighter, and some people might also remember the person as this person who used to be a well-known police officer within the country of Jamaica. But anyways, you know, so me get the understanding that quite a number of people within the country of Jamaica talk about that large gathering. See? And I'm going to present a video to you, make you hear some words that a person said pertaining to the large gathering, as I call it. So I say, I'm going to tell me if you agree or if you disagree with some words that the person said in this video that I'm about to present to you. And please bear in mind that I can hear harsh language in this video, so viewer discretion is advised. Observe.
I don't know when do. Cause me got work all the while, me not watch and listen. But me don't know when do. But me I tell you say him pull out Jamaica, you. Him pull out socialist, you. Me no know when to pull them out. But when me tell us a socialist come out, you want to see blood PNP meeting. You me say? Jamaica a socialist country. I mean, you know where the consciousness that boy go do.
No,
but him pull them out.
I just want chance. I just want
Let me say.
They say they want a change, you know.
Because man, me say no PNP pull out them there, because PNP not go on with nothing. And Joe pull out them. Me no know what him do.
Like, me one girl says this right now, my room could have voted and do nothing.
When me say, me no know when do wrong. But me no see PNP go on with nothing if they pull out so much socialist. When me say. And my father did tell me that already, you know. So when you see man box and you see next side cast, the next side if you pull out car watch out. He's never JLP make JLP win, you know. It's PNP. So he come back and know where JLP I go make PNP win back. I mean, you know what Andrew do? But he pull them out. He whole of blood, yo, me say when you look, me know a fire me see. To the amount of blood is he color. When you look on the crowd, a fire, living and true. Living and true fire, nice son. Living and true fire, yeah, see. Me not burning, come to burn it down. Burn him out. I burn him out, man. Me I tell you, me can't see no head of fire. Me I see like when flame off a fire. Me don't know when do and pull them out, master. I don't know when do, but him pull them out. Me don't know when do wrong. You understand? But him pull them out. Mother P did do it, you know. And pull out jail people and we, you know. I tell you that. I don't know what this man do. But him pull out socialist blood. I tell you, I don't see no pick me. That's why I know say them pull out socialist. Come, I don't see no pick me.
Here people can't vote.
Me a look, you know. If you say, you know. Yeah. But me say pull out the real Jamaican them master. I don't know when get. When do.
You do sit bad.
But him pull them out.
Well, my people, that person will make at least one valid point. And I think I understand what I say with the whole pull out part. Like, pull out me, like, enough Jamaicans, you understand what I say. I tell you, you see me I say, but overall, still, my people, I don't want to jump to no conclusion. But you can just hint me and tell me if you agree or if you disagree with what I say, you know. Yeah, you can hint me by leaving a comment or comments in the comment section of the video, you know. Let me know if you understand what the person I say and if you agree with what the person I say, or if you don't agree. You can tell me what you think. I think here's where I'm going to leave it. If you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.